G'day.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Tonight we're doing a cooking video. So what are we cooking, babe?
ผ้าแตงกวาหมูย่าง
Wow, that sounds so exotic.
You know that what is it?
It's cucumber salad with barbecue pork.
Yes.
Don't need to be no rich hand. Everyone just needs a hand to hold on to.
What is it, babe? What we got?
แตงกวา
Baby, you look a bit sweaty. Are you okay?
That's okay.
Cucumber,
Yeah. Come on. มะนาว
lime,
Yep. มะเขือเทศ
tomato.
Yes. หอมแดงแขก
We either call that red onion or Spanish onion,
Yeah. พริก
chili,
Yeah. พริก
two chilies,
Yeah. พริก2 เม็ด 2 chili ตะไคร้ตะไคร้
What is that, baby? I can't remember what it is.
ตะไคร้ lemongrass
Lemongrass, that's
Yeah.
it.
ต้นหอมผักชี
Alright, we have spring onion
Yes.
and we have coriander.
Coriander. And your cook?
Oh, and the expertly cooked barbecue pork.
Yes. And น้ำปลา
Fish sauce.
Yes. That's right. Sorry.
So, yeah, so there's no real cooking because we cooked the pork last night. So it's just really doing the prep and putting it all together.
Yeah.
Alright, baby, good luck.
Come on.
Well, that's noisy, man. Why are you so noisy? You're so expert at peeling. So professional peeling, baby.
Start.
I see not use the one I bought from Australia.
No.
Oh my goodness. I carried that thousands of miles and you're not using it. So it's a little difficult for us to give you pricing or Thai pricing on vegetable because we always get a discount from Bang. Well, sometimes, most of the time he gives us for free.
For free.
Especially cucumber we get for free.
Yes.
You're just cutting up the onion.
Yes.
So do you need to slice it or dice it or what do you need to do?
Slide. Slide the side what you like. Slide.
Slice.
Slice. Alright. What's it?
I need a close up of the slicing action, man.
I'm not sure. Maybe I will subscribe more professional.
No, I think this looks Michelin standard to me.
Okay.
Wonderful, good job, baby.
It's okay. Chili.
Another prick.
Prick.
I can smell that onion.
I'm gonna cry.
Are you going to cry?
Okay.
Do I need a close up of the tears?
No.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Okay.
Please blame the onion, otherwise they're going to blame me for making you cry.
Oh, you wash up this ready.
Yeah, I already washed the tomato.
Oh yeah.
See, I'm such a good helper, I wash your tomato for you.
Okay.
So just slice your tomato.
Slice normal.
Oh, so you dice? No, you're not dicing it. Like
when I got
cubes of tomato, wedges.
Really, because we're gonna mix together anyway.
Alright.
Oh.
And the lemongrass.
Yes.
So do I eat that lemongrass? Did I?
Huh?
I eat the lemongrass?
Yeah, you should eat. Yeah, it's good. Good for health. It's herb. You can eat.
But I just call ta tirak, which means darling.
Darling.
My darling.
Tirak.
Tirak.
Done. See, easy. Sleep together.
Awesome.
Easy.
Oh, you just make it look easy.
Yeah. Okay.
What now?
I'll do something else. Have some washing up. Leave night.
Alright, you want us to come back?
Yeah. Bye bye.
Alright guys, I'm sorry, we have to come back.
Take a break.
Alright. So, I was going to say have a smoke break, but no one should be smoking, so just maybe just have a rest.
Slide. What about slide?
So slicing the cucumber.
Yep.
I've now become part of the cooking process. I need to wave the pork. So, wave the pork. In Thai we wave.
Microwave.
So microwave the cutting up the coriander.
Yep. And look professional.
You do look professional. But you're not wearing your Aussie apron. What's going on?
Still keep it new.
Oh, I believe you. And now you sorry, I missed that part. You've cut up the spring onion now.
Okay. Oh my God, sweat.
I know I've been talking like this isn't a serious dish, but it's one that I really, really like actually.
Mm-hmm.
It's not complicated,
Yeah, easy, very easy.
but it's very tasty.
Yes. Wow. Pork ready.
Sorry, baby, I must go and do my job with get the pork out of the microwave.
Sorry.
Dan, you okay? Are you okay? Are you a bit hot? I know it's very hot, isn't it? Right, so what's happening now?
Cut this
So you need to slice the pork.
slide. This way. This way.
So
It's the wrong way.
how are you cutting the pork? Are you cutting it at an angle so it looks fancy?
No.
Oh, you don't care?
I don't care.
It doesn't matter, just however you like your pork, just hack away at it.
Yeah. It's cut like this.
Just bite-sized chunks. Looks good, babe. So what are we doing, babe?
Mix everything together.
Alright, combine all the ingredients.
Yes. And pork. Oh, this big plate.
So the pork's still warm, still hot.
Yeah, warm. This Thai style.
Yeah. It's wonderful, I love it.
So you can smell lamb.
So really, it just depends how sour you like a dish as to how much lime you would put in there.
Yeah. It's okay. And
Fish
macaroni
sauce.
sauce.
And again, that just goes in by your experience or to taste.
Yeah. then mix together. With the plastic.
So some people will just use your hand.
No, you can use that because I have chili.
Oh, you can't. Oh, good idea. Yeah, you don't want chili on your fingertips.
Yeah.
Quite dangerous.
Yeah, this just squeeze is mixed together.
So how long do you keep squeezing it together for?
I don't know until it's mixed together. It's not long. It's not long.
Alright, so
Then I like just
just 2 or 3 minutes.
yeah. Okay. And then you taste first.
Taste.
Would you like or not?
Of course, every good cook tastes their food before they put it on the table.
Oh.
Needs more salt. So Thai use fish sauce to add salt.
That's right. Spring onion and coriander.
So you're just mixing that together at the end.
Yes. Okay. Done.
Wonderful job, baby. My mouth is actually watering. I can't wait to taste it.
Okay, let's go.
So we forgot to mention that we have rice with it as well.
Yes.
But we didn't cook the rice. We bought the rice from the market.
Yes.
So how much was the rice for 2 people?
9 baht.
So 9 baht for 2 people for rice.
Yes, 9 baht.
So why would you cook it at home when it's so cheap?
ข้าวหอม It's good. 9 baht. Only 9 baht.
It looks so good, baby. Are you happy?
Yes. Yeah.
Are you sure?
I hope
I'm not sure if you're happy.
I hope it's tasty. Try.
So always with Thai dishes, you have the rice on the plate,
Yep.
and you have the main meal on a separate dish,
Just
and you just take a little serving, just what you're going to have
with the place.
for each mouthful, essentially. It's nice. It's a little bit spicy with the chili.
Sour.
Sour midnight, but I love the sour flavour. The vegetables very fresh. The meat's well cooked. Tomatoes great. Onions nice and crunchy. I have no complaints.
So it's good. Done.
But I really need to know how you feel about your cooking.
It's good. I love sour also, but I need more chili.
So quite often, Tara will have a little bowl, a little dish, and she'll have 3 or 4 chilies cut up in there.
Yeah.
So she'll just scoop in those chilies onto her plate. That's a very regular occurrence.
Yes, I love it.
Well, I hope you'll try this dish. Quite a simple dish that is very enjoyable. And the only thing that costs anything really is the pork.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
very, very cost-effective dish and so tasty.
Yes.
Thank you, baby. You did such a good job.
Welcome.
Uh,
So hope you can eat.
Oh, of course I get it. I love it. All right, we'll catch up with you later. Take care. G'day.
Okay. It's okay.
G'day.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Tonight we're cooking for you. And what are we cooking, babe? I think we're having pies. We're just going to heat up pies in the oven.
We don't have oven.
Oh, we don't have an oven. And we can't buy pies at Lotus either.
Okay.
Oh my God, what country am I in?
Okay, I got it.
Thanks for watching. You're so Jai. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, click like. And if you loved it, subscribe. Take care.